Hi guys, today I'm just going to give you a quick tip. I had told you before I was coming up with a way to make my own gel medium that I really liked. So I use this in a lot of my videos, and this is what I've come up with and I like it. It's not quite as thin as Mod Podge, but it's not quite as thick. It's just a gel medium. Excuse my crickets, they're kind of loud today. So let me show you what I put in. I don't have my gallon of Mod Podge here, but pretend there is a gallon, and I use the High Gloss Mod Podge, and I get that on Amazon. And I take all of the gallon, plus I mix, and this is a 32 ounce container, and it is called Handy Art Designer's Palette, Artist Acrylic Medium Gel. And so this is a larger container than this one, of course, but this has got a nice consistency, and there's a few things about this I really liked when I mixed it in. And then I also mixed this in, and this is a much heavier gel. And this is called US Art Supply Impasto, and it's a clear gel acrylic medium, and it's 500 milliliters, probably about 16 ounces. So I take a large bowl and I mix them all up very quickly, but I mix them all really together, really well together. I just seal it real quick, and then as I am filling my containers, I just open it, put a nice big cupful in each one, and then I have these in separate containers that when I need to use them, I've got them, and I really like the consistency. Not so thick that it just feels really gummy, but not so thin that it feels like it wrinkles my papers and my things so quickly. And I use it underneath to Mod Podge or to decoupage my pieces, but I also use it on top as a sealer. Hope you guys give this a try. Let me know what you think about it, but whatever you do, have fun.